everybody, and sorry for the appearance, sorry for the background noise. I am making decals for my father-in-law who passed away January 25th, 2021. And today is the following Saturday after his passing. So I have 4 unboxings that I'm going to do today. 2 of them are going to be urns. They're going to be in separate videos. One of them is going to be some little bells that I bought for his my husband's grandpa, which is of course that was his sign, and some other stuff I think my husband bought for him. So I'll go ahead and package. Let's go ahead and unpackage this one in this video. Not exactly sure what this one is. I think this is my husband's stuff. Yes. This is something my husband bought for my cousin. He bought him a 3-pack of toilet paper for Christmas. He's always saying, you know, I love you, honey, and just being super funny. So it says, Happy Valentine's Day, you little, and it's got a poopy. The other one says, I find you unresistible. It's got a poopy. And it says, I love the poop out of you. So he thought that those was funny. He thought that both of them would get a kick out of that. So he bought those for him. Alright, next videos will be the 2 urns that I bought. One for my dog, one for my father-in-law, or it may be my mother-in-law, my grandmother-in-law's one of the 2, and then the other one will be this little package that has the bells in it. Bye, you guys.